Yes, my name is Desmond, and I welcome you to my lesson for today, where we are going to be looking at your mathematics, ladies and gentlemen. As always, please do allow me to say it is very much important that I say it is very, very much important because honorable members, what I'm about to say it's massively, 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 massively. Hey, massively important, ladies and gentlemen, that I say a day without learning something new, it's a day wasted. By so saying, lepandla la kankulunkulu, please, honorable members or members who are honorable, please, 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 please. Please do make sure that by the end of each and every lesson that I conduct, you learn something new. Very, very much important, honorable members, on that one. So, guys, without any waste of our precious time, I've got a question here where I would like to take you through this question. This is question number 4, honorable members. This is question number 4 of the exam paper. So very quickly, I just want to check if you guys would be able to work out these two simple questions. Not necessarily simple, but we will see how you work them out. So normally, this is a trigonometric type of a question where they would say, here you are given 4 and then let's say chord of an angle, they plus 3 and they say this is equals to 0. And that's a statement. After that, they say and where theta it is between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. Yes. This is what you would be given, honorable members. And then there is the question being 4.1.1, which says use a sketch. I'll write it down and say they say use sketch to determine, let me say find the value of the following. And they say do not use calculator. Yes. So the question now would be, if that's what you are given, 4 chord angle plus that, which has been equated to 0, and they say where theta is between that and that. Now they say use sketch to find a value of the following. A, they are saying cos of an angle. And this question is allocated how many marks? It is 4 marks. And then B, they say 3 sine of an angle multiplying sec of an angle, the whole of that divided by tan of an angle. And that question also is allocated 4 marks. So that means you've got 4 marks there you've got 4 marks there. By means of comments, honorable members, by means of comments, do you guys think you would be able to work it out? Yes or no? So I would like for you to just very quickly look at that and then let me know if you think you can be able to work it out. Just that question or just that comment, honorable members. Very quickly, let me do something. Let's see if we've got some comments in relation to my question. Um, let's see, maybe it will take some time though. That was Ali. Okay, guys, I just asked a question if you think you would be able to work it out. Seems like it's only Ali who has responded. Just wanted to check, what about the others? Do you guys think you would be able to work it out? Yebono Mata. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So this is what I'm going to do, honorable members. This is what I'm going to do. Maybe I will make use of this space to give you guys an idea of what's going on over there. You see, this is what you are given with a condition, and then now they start asking the question. So that means, honorable members, you need to have a Cartesian plane where you draw a right angled triangle. And the best way to go about this one, honorable members, you remember here you are having a chord of an angle. And we said chord is the same as 1 over tan. So let us try to rewrite this thing as tan is equals to something. Maybe one can say, okay, we are having 4 cot of an angle, we equate, we take 3 to the other side, it becomes -3. And then this is like cot of an angle, which is equals to -3 over 4. So we do know very well that 1 over tan, it is cot. This is -3 over 4. So if we take tan to the top, that is going to be tan of an angle, which is going to be equals to, that means you'll take this to the top, that at the bottom is like -4 over 3. So that means all that I've been doing from there to there is just a simplification. In case if you do not understand this part, it's like you cross multiply. That tan angle will multiply 3, and then that will multiply that, and then you divide, by that 3. Then it's like you have that 4 over 3. You mustn't forget the negative over there. You remember, most honorable members, we said tan, it is actually y over x. It's like opposite over adjacent. Don't forget the negative there. Because they've given you a condition to say your angle should be between 180 and 0. So that means your triangle should be between 0 degrees. Remember, from 0, we go to 90 degrees and then 180 degrees there. So that means your drawing or your sketch should be here or there. But we do know very well that here, that's where we have x as positive, and then again y as positive in that quadrant. But in this quadrant, this is where x is negative, and then y, it is positive. So that means you will need to choose on this negative whether it is for 4 or it is for 3. So that means already it can't fall into this quadrant, because into this quadrant, the first quadrant, that's where the x and the y are positive. So it has to fall in this quadrant where x, it is negative. So that means this is a negative 3. That 4, it is the one which is positive. So this is where you now draw your right-angled triangle. That is the sketch that they are talking about. You know your x is negative 3, and then your y, it is 4. Then what you need to do, it is to find your hypotenuse. So can you guys calculate and let me know what will be your hypotenuse? For those who might say, I'm still a bit lost, it's fine. I can do some more problems until we get used to it before we get to the questions. But for now, please do let me know if you are following or if you need some more examples before we can work this one out, because we haven't done this on our Zoom lesson. So I wouldn't be surprised in case if you are still confused, and then I will start from the beginning. But for now, let me know if you can be able to calculate that, and if you are still confused, meaning if you still need some more examples, you will say more examples, or if you understand, you understand. R is equals to 5. Okay. I see Vino Kubai. Vino Kubai, you might find that I've asked too many questions. And when you say no, can't remember which one you are answering. But maybe make it in a sentence so that I'm aware what is the no for. Maybe it's the no to say, I don't need to do more examples. So there is Ali got a RS5. Is it true that that is equals to 5? Is that true? Is it what everyone else is getting? Lakankulunkulu bandla. Is that what you guys are getting over there? R is 5. There's Apiwa saying R is 5. Okay. Then that is correct. That is correct. So now, in answering the question, honorable members, in answering the questions, once you have done that, then it means you are ready to answer the questions. Because the first question, if you remember, A, they are saying you need to work out cos of an angle. And what you know is that cos of an angle is adjacent over hypotenuse. What is your adjacent? It is negative 3. What is your hypotenuse? You just calculated it to be 5. Then you are done. That's it. That is it, honorable members or members who are honorable. That's it. So that means the most important thing in this case is for you to identify the quadrant in which your triangle is. Once that is done, you therefore need to complete that right-angled triangle. This is why in most cases you will use theorem of Pythagoras. And then once that is done, that's when you can start answering the questions, honorable members. So now we have answered that one. Remember, they said without using a calculator. So you might find that you only get maybe 1 mark on this one or 2 marks. And then the other 2 or 3 marks, you get them from that calculation of calculating your R, which you find it to be 5. Yes, because this ends up giving you 25, and then you have R squared. Remember, you introduce square root on both sides. So the answer that you get, it is R is equals to plus or minus 5, but R is always positive. R is never negative. So you might find that with you substituting correctly, getting a final answer, you are correct, and then you get 2 marks there. That's how you score yourself 4 marks. So very much important that you show that calculation where you do the theorem of Python. So now, that's how we score ourselves 4 marks. So now let's work out a B. So for B, they want you to work out that 3 sine of an angle, which is being multiplied by sec of an angle, the whole of that being divided by tan of an angle. So how would you work that one out, honorable members or members who are honorable? Okay, maybe let me check. Guys, do you think you can be able to try that one? So this is your y being 4, this is your r, and that is your x. So here comes the question. Do you guys think you can be able to work it? Maybe let me give you guys some chance to work it out. Let's see, it's now, let's say 20. Maybe let me give you guys 5 minutes. Yes, I'm giving you 5 minutes to work it out, and then I'm going to derive a different question with you to work it out. Let me derive a question in the meantime. For now, giving you 5 minutes to try work that one out. There is a yes from Lee. Okay, let's see. So remember, guys, today it won't be a lengthy lesson, but um, it is definitely going to be a short lesson. Um, yes, that is primarily because I still have a lesson to do with the guys in the lower grades. So, yeah. Mm, let's see. There is a what? So, so you guys were able to very quickly work it out. Yo. Okay. 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 Mm. That was quick. Yo. That was quick. That was very, very quick. It seems like everyone is saying the answer is 3. Okay. 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 It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. With you guys saying the answer is 3. Let's see. So that means we have 3. Sine, we know sine is opposite over r. Opposite over hypotenuse is the one for cos. So cos we know is x over r. Then that means it's going to be r over x because it's the reciprocal. It's like you take the top, the numerator, make it the denominator. Yeah. And then tan, we know that tan is y over x. That we know. All that you need to do is just substitute. What is your y? Your y, you know that it is 4 over r. You calculated it, you said it's 5. Your r, you said it's 5. Your x is negative 3. Then at the bottom, your y you said is 4, your x is 3. So let's see, that you can say cancels with that, and then that cancels with that. It's like at the top you have a negative 4, which you divide by the whole of that, being 4 over 3. And then now, it's like you have your negative 4. Wait, I missed something. Yes, this is supposed to be negative 3 there, just as cos x is negative 3. So that is negative. Okay, then it means this is times the negative 3 goes to the top, and then that comes to the bottom. So that means this negative will cancel with that, and then that will cancel with that. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. You might not be able to see, but yes, you get it correct. You guys did had you guys did get it correct. I see some of you guys had some other classes, but it's fine. That's what we have been doing. Maybe let me bring the original question so that you guys are able to see. And please be aware that I mentioned to say today it won't be a lengthy lesson. Okay, while either I look for another question or while I derive a new question, let me quickly give you this a very simple thing to do. Not that it's simple, but let's see. 4 over that sine of an angle equals to cos 37, and theta is between, or it's less or equals to that. Yes. So the question now here, you are solving. Here they say solve for theta. That is question number 4.3. Yes, there you go. Let's see if we can be able to work it out. Okay, I think I got something. I think I got something. Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe, honorable members. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Yeah, share to all friends, all of that. Yes, I'm trying to think here. I want to cook something a bit more challenging. Uh, yeah, I think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it, honorable members. I'm about to give you something, but that one, yes, we'll firstly deal with that one, and then I'm giving you this one. So that is that. Cut of that, and then that equals to 0, and we say that is between that. Yes, and then from there we say user sketch to find the following, and then I will say I'm going to say cut that, and then I'm going to plus 1 over 3 there. Yes, and then for B I will say times that minus 1, and then for C I will say sec angle plus cosec angle, and then D I will say cos angle plus sine angle. Yes. I wonder if what I've given you I'll be able to work it out, but it's fine. So let's see. Larissa got 36.8. Okay, so Let's see. This is how. Wait, what's happening there? Oh, yes. We are solving for theta. So that means you want to get rid of this thing. So you are therefore going to have your sine of an angle which is equals to cos of 37 degrees. You just write it as it is, that one. You just divide by 4 over 3 because you want to remove it. That's why you divided by it cancelled. So that means finally your angle should be equals to a arc sine of the whole of that being 4 over 3. Punch all of that in your calculator, then you get an answer, of which it seems like all of you guys are getting 36.8 degrees. Okay, then it's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So for the surprise for you, someone is saying my screen is blurry. Is it the same for everyone? I might need to switch on the light because I noticed that it's getting darker on my side. There is the question that you need to work out. This one is coming out of my head, honorable members. You might find that it gives you some problems there and there, but it shouldn't give you some problems. There you go. Give it a try and try to follow what we have done and see if you can be able to work it out. Yes. See if you can be able to work it out. Okay, autisibone. How about now, honorable members? How is the screen now? Is it better? Are you working that one out? I'm also going to work it out on my side, so let's see. I'm also going to work it out on my side. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what I'm going to get. Let's see what I'm going to get on that one. Remember, guys, you are not using a calculator and nothing must be a decimal there. You are not using a calculator, nothing must be a decimal. So if you get something in a form of a square root, it remains as a square root. Be careful of that. So let's see what you guys are getting. Okay, Ali, this is how you can work it out. Don't comment one by one. Retract all the messages, and then when you answer the question, you'll just say A is equals to that, B is equals to what, C is equals to that, that is equals to that. So I'll give you enough time on this one. I'll give you a full 10 minutes. So now it's 40. That means at a 50, everyone must have commented with their answers. I'm also working it out. So when you comment, you say A is equal to this, B is equal to that, C is equal to that. Make sure to check your answers as well to make sure that you've done everything correctly. This is an interesting question. Those questions are valid because Sengiqedile. Myself, I'm done. Okay, guys, I'm aware that you might be working it out at that side. Please just let me know so that I know if you're working it out. Uh, let's see, Larissa A. Okay, let's see that being that, and that, and that. Okay, let's wait to see what you guys are getting. Let me wait to see what you guys are getting on that one. On that one over here. On that one over there. Okay, I still need that. So you guys have got enough time to work it out. 10 minutes. Larissa, what you can do in the meantime is just to check if you've done everything correctly. If you've done everything correctly. So just be waiting. Remember, guys, to click on that like button. Big Smoke said, please make sure that you subscribe. You click on the like button, and then yes, you do all those kind of things, honorable members. How? Lebandla ka nkulunkulu. Are you still working it out? What's happening there? But Hanan, there, honorable members. What are you guys doing there? I'm sure you're not watching movies there, honorable members. let's see. We are not. Uh, Now I forgot the question. You know, it seems like every time I ask a question and there's a pause, someone answers, then I forget the question. Moano, what was the question again? We are not. Oh, okay. Maybe she's saying we are not watching a movie. Okay. Okay. It seems like you're only remaining with 1 minute. Rendani Chidada, remember not to answer one by one, but just like Larissa did there. Not one by one, but you just comment with everything so that I don't have to scroll up to check what was your first answer. 49. You're just remaining with a few seconds. Then from there, at the speed of light, we do corrections. I'm no longer sure if you all got it wrong or if you're still working on it or you ran out of time. It's fine. It is now time up. Maybe I'll just bring this so that you guys can take a screenshot of that and then you will therefore try to work it out. But this is what I'm going to say. Larissa got 100% on that one. She definitely, I'm not sure whether to say I got the same answers as what she got, or if I must say she got the same answers as I got. But you know the truth, Moose. She got the same answers as mine. Where is that other marker? Guys, did you steal my red marker? Yeah, okay. So this is your A. But obviously, your R is equals to square root of 5 because you used theorem of Pythagoras. So there's your A. Your A, you know that cot plus 1 over 3. Cot is the same as x over y plus 1 over 3. When you look at that, what is your x? Your x is 2. And then your y is equals to 1. And then there you go. So now, can you guys see? This is where you need to be able to simplify. Where you've got your common denominator, LCD, and then you multiply each term by LCD. And then you end up having 7 over 3. I'm not sure if it's, yes, that's what you guys are getting. Then you come to B. Your B, what is it? What was the question for B? B is tan 1 minus 1. Yes, tan 1 minus 1. Tan minus 1. Tan we know is y over x minus 1. Y is what? It's 1, x is 2 minus 1 over 1. You also do that one of LCD. You multiply each term by your LCD. Where is that coming from? Yes. And then you have 1 minus 2 at the top. That is because your LCD is 2. And then when you multiply that, 2 will cancel with that. You have a 1. Okay, yes. I don't know why I was removing that. Yes, I was correct in the first place. It's negative that and that. So, yes, I see some of you guys also got that. And then there we are having sec plus cosec. Sec, we know that it is the reciprocal of cos. So that means r at the top, x at the bottom. For cosec, the reciprocal of sine, that means r at the top, that at the bottom. What you do is just to substitute. You've got your r being square root of that over 2. You've got r and then that. So what you do, you have your LCD, which you can say is 2 and 1. Then when you multiply each term by the LCD, this 2 will cancel with that, and then it's like you have that, and then that 1 will cancel with that. It's like you have 2 times square root of that, which is that, divided by your LCDs, 2 times 1, which is just 2. And then here it's like you have invisible 1. So it's like 1 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 5. That's why it's 3 square root of 5 over that 2, and then you are done. Then you come on to that one. What is the question there? Let's see. Is cos angle plus sine angle? Yes. And then on that one, remember guys, when on for those of you guys who might still be struggling with this, let's say on our normal Zoom lessons, we are still going to redo all of this. It will serve as a revision to some of you, but to others, I will therefore be addressing those specific problems that you might be having. Okay. Then it's fine. Let us, let's see. What are we seeing there? Okay, let us look at these. So, we have cos being x over r, we have sine being 1, y over r. This is 2 over r, this is y over r. And then, obviously, what do you do? Again, you do that thing of LCD, where you end up having the square root of 5 at the bottom, and then you just add those 2, which is that 3 there. And then we say we always don't want to have the square root at the bottom. So what you do, you multiply that thing by 1, because square root of 5 over square root of 5 is the same as 1. So it changes nothing. Then it means this will multiply that will multiply that. And then square root of 5 times square root of 5 is the same as square root of 5 times 5, which is square root of 25, which is that 5. At the top is like 3 multiplying that one there, it ends up being 3, and then square root of 5 over 5. So let's see. Guys, did you see how to work it out? Were you all following, honorable members? Were you all able to see how to work out that one? Honorable members or members who are honorable? Yes. Yes. It seems like most of you guys did get it correct. It seems like most of you guys did get it correct. So remember, the principle is the same. What complicates things is how questions may be asked. So don't get too comfortable and say they are easy, I can be able to work it out, or whatever the case may be. So you just need to be very careful in terms of understanding what steps to follow. Those kind of things, yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time where I need to sign out. I will just sign out over there and say, thanks very much for joining. My name starts with letter D, and guess what? I just says, my name is Romanus, R-O-M-O-N-O-U, Romanus. Do you guys still remember this one? Okay. Dzina langa ni Muano Ndova. maybe you guys try to um yeah, try to spell your name. Spella Collins. Yeah, still remember this one. Spella Collins. So it's like Spella Romanus. 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 Romanos. Romanos. Romanus. Spella Desmond. Desmond. A Desmond. Desmond. Spella Mandlonke. 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 Spella Larissa. L-R. No. Larissa. Larissa. What is Tukulugomoro? Spella Collins. Spella Collins. Collins. MU. NA. RO. CS. PK. KO. Collins.